So when you are doing your keyword research, it's important to keep your eyes open for trends, items that are trending that might be related to your particular keywords. So what you can do is you can go to google.com/trends, and you could explore within there, or you could enter in your search term within Google Trends. So if you enter in a search term, so worldwide, you see that there's always a peak here and it goes down. So it continues to peak year over year. It's got a bunch of peaks. The terms are being peaks within the headlines. And you can see that they're forecasting for 2016 in May the same thing. So April, May, June, there's a peak, and then it goes down after that, the interest. And this is global interest worldwide. You can also adjust this to be particular country or region. You can also adjust the date as well as categories. So if you're looking for a more specific category, and you can just go by web search, and you could also just go by YouTube search, which is really interesting. So this YouTube search is another great way to see interest on particular topics. So this would be more if you already have your keywords and if you want to see which ones are most effective, if you're planning ahead, and if you're creating some videos in February, March, and you know there's a peak coming up in April, May, June, July, you know that you're able to plan ahead, that you have to schedule to create some videos just before ahead of the rise here of the tent pole, the peak here. And this is the best way to optimize on those particular keywords and get them out there before the competition does. So here you can see as well if it's rising and if it broke out. So there's, unfortunately, in this particular term, there's not enough search volume for the results. But you can break it down by top and rising terms, as well as you can see what countries are looking at this. So if you were actually trying to optimize for this in YouTube, you could go Dragon Boat Singapore, and that would give you the most interest in that particular region. And you could be planning it ahead, a month or two ahead of time, planning out your videos as you're creating your strategy of what content you're going to be creating using the keywords. Also, they do have a YouTube specific trends dashboard, so slightly different. It does have just trending items on YouTube, and this again, it's more of an idea tool that you can see what's trending, and you can apply different filters, you can apply different locations as well as different audiences, and you can see what users per location are interested in, and you're also able to see what's being shared the most as opposed to what's being viewed the most. So sharing is definitely indicator that this is becoming popular and that particular topic might be trending. So that's another good reason to to jump on that and get creating videos for that topic. You're able to just browse through it as well, and then the compare option. So it doesn't actually have as much options as the Google Trends does, where you could just type in your keyword, but this as well can give you some good ideas for videos that you can be creating, and it'll give you a good idea of what trends are coming.